Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by securing power and saving files because firmware changes can interrupt operations. Reboot the TUF F15 and press F2 to enter BIOS. Timing is crucial. Once inside, move to Advanced or Graphics Configuration. Manufacturers place the discrete GPU toggle here. You want to find options named Switchable Graphics, GPU Mode, or Discrete GPU. Make sure you understand the current setting before changing it so you can revert if needed. This prepares you for the actual disable step in the next stage. Once in the right menu, switch graphics mode from auto or discrete to integrated or iGPU and then choose Save and Exit. This tells the system to use the CPU's graphics instead of the discrete GPU. If your BIOS lacks that control, do it in Windows. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click the discrete NVIDIA or AMD device and select Disable Device. Reboot to apply changes. You're doing this to reduce heat, extend battery life, or solve driver conflicts, so validate behavior after each reboot. You finish by confirming the discrete GPU is off. Open Task Manager, right arrow Performance tab, or run GPU-Z, and ensure only the integrated GPU reports activity. Make sure power and thermal profiles behave as expected. If you encounter a black screen or boot failure, immediately power off and reset BIOS to defaults or enter safe mode to re-enable the device. Many ASUS laptops also offer a BIOS reset pin or F9 default. If disabling caused driver or stability issues, re-enable the DGPU and update drivers before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.